You've probably heard it 1,000 times. Hormone therapy isn't safe after age 60. Or worse, it's too late for you. You missed the window. I call this BS. In this video, I'm flipping the Ageist script and showing why oral estradiol is not only safe, but potentially life-saving, even for women over 63. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Always talk with a qualified practitioner before starting or changing anything. Let me explain what's termed the 10-year window. You might think, isn't it too late to start hormone therapy? The WHI studies show that hormone therapy worked best when started within 10 years of menopause. That's because you haven't built up much arterial plaque yet. Your estrogen receptors are still responsive. You're in the golden window for prevention. But what if you're already past that window? The answer isn't too late. Evidence shows it's about using the right hormone the right way, regardless of age. Here are two different stories of Premarin versus estradiol. Let's set the record straight. In the flawed WHI study, Premarin, conjugated equine estrogen, also known as horse estrogen, plus Provera, synthetic progestin, led to an increased plaque rupture risk, especially in older women. For estradiol plus micronized progesterone, there is no increased risk, even in secondary prevention studies. This isn't theory. It's based on data from the EPAT trial, the ELITE study, and 7 European meta-analyses. These all used estradiol in women over 63. And guess what? No plaque rupture, no increase in events, and even plaque reversal in some cases. If you've been told it's too late for you to start bioidentical hormones, or maybe your doctor has told you you've been on hormones too long, you've been fed nonsense. Download my free Too Late Hormone Myth Buster at the link in the description below. And continue watching this video for more eye-opening myth busters. Here's the concept that changes everything. Heart disease is not one disease. There's two kinds of heart disease. One, plaque formation, which is slow, silent, and decades long. And two, plaque rupture, which is sudden and deadly. Premarin plus Provera equals increased risk of plaque rupture. And that was due to the MMP9 enzyme, matrix metalloproteinase 9. This enzyme increased in the liver when women took oral conjugated estrogen, Premarin, also known as horse estrogen. What MMP9 did was weaken arterial plaque stability, making it prone to rupture, which can trigger heart attacks and strokes in women starting oral estrogen after years of estrogen deficiency. The elevation in the MMP9 occurred only in the first year of therapy, corresponding to the initial rise in adverse events in the WHI and HER studies. After the first year, the vascular system adapted, the relative risk fell below baseline, meaning that continued estrogen therapy ultimately became protective. MMP9 is specific to oral estrogens due to the first pass of liver metabolism, but it does not occur with transdermal or bioidentical estradiol. These maintain vascular protection. Thus, the MPP9 story explains why the WHI data was misinterpreted. Estrogen itself was never the problem, the delivery route was. Estradiol doesn't increase MMP9, so it doesn't rupture plaque. In fact, in older women, estradiol helps stabilize plaque and reverse early stage buildup. Beyond the heart, what else does estradiol protect? Oral estradiol isn't just good for your arteries, it's essential for bone density, for brain function and memory, for vaginal and urinary health, for mood regulation, skin elasticity. These are not optional luxuries. They are critical systems that decline rapidly without estradiol. Investing in your hormone health is investing in your overall quality of life. This isn't just about aging, it's about thriving. Finally, let's discuss how to safely start oral estradiol if you're over 63, because it's your time to shine. You need to get a full cardiovascular workup, a blood lipid panel, coronary artery calcium score, EKG. Absolutely avoid synthetic hormones and Premarin and Provera, and initiate with small doses and adjust according to your health needs and your lifestyle. And combine it with at least 200 milligrams of oral micronized progesterone, even if you don't have a uterus. Test levels and monitor regularly. You can age strong, sharp, and sexy with the right support. So is oral estradiol dangerous after 63? Only if you confuse it with Premarin. The real danger is letting menopause strip you of the hormones your body needs to survive and thrive. If you're over 63, it's not too late. If you're under 63, now's the perfect time. Either way, you deserve access to real hormone science, not recycled myths from 2002. Now that you know why estradiol is crucial post 63, you're going to want to know how to implement this knowledge into your life and how to talk to your doctor about bioidentical hormones. Click the video on the screen and I will show you how to do just that.